Now we've got all our breather membrane on the front, we are now ready to batten. So we've just been over and measured the height. We've left it just 5 mil off the floor for a minute. We are going to change those because we've got a grill to go on the bottom. We've cut a few of these ready to go on the front. Then we're just going to keep that in line with your wall plate up the top. And then this one, where it's the edge of the door, just keep this in line with the edge timber for where the door's going in. And we'll just nail that one just there. So it's nicely flush with the inside of your door there. And then just grab your level. Just get that one nice and level, because where it's coming into your door, when you put a trim or a corner bead or etc. on that one, it's wants to be nice and level. Yeah, so the battens are on this side. We're just coming around the front and down the side now, and then the outside is nearly all battened, ready for the render carrier board. So just transferring, I've got 2 more timbers above the door. So I'm just with a square, just coming down from the timber and the inside, transferring it along the bottom, so that then when I come out here, that mark is just there and there. Then I know I've got an upright there and there. So that's just to finishes the surround around the doorway. So if you was going to put a bit of trim around the door, you've got something all the way around the door to fix to. Now I'm just going to put 2 more uprights in there, and then that'll be the front elevation finished.